Computers are used in school for maintaining fee records, making timetables, writing circulars, teaching students, keeping the record of teachers and students. These are the common uses of computer in the school. Now we move to the other part. What is the use of computer in office? Yeah, in office there is lots of use. In office, computers are used for keeping the backup of office work. What is the meaning of backup? Backup means a copy of our work. Backup is mostly taken to have a safe record of our work. It is the replacement of files. Again, I am repeating. Backup means a copy of our work. Backup is mostly taken to have a safe record of our work. It is the replacement of files. Means what work we done, we save this record in another place, like in pen drive or in a database, in computer database, in another computer also. Keeping the record of client. Who is client now? Clients are those who do business with the office persons who work and collaborate with the office. So keeping the record of clients are very important. Sending emails to clients, yeah, to maintain proper balance in day-to-day curriculum, day-to-day work. Office workers send emails to the clients to make them up to date about their work. Creating documents, yes, to create documents of office is necessary. So it is an important part of office to maintain and create and save that document in computer. Okay, now computers used in railway stations. We all know that in the railway station there is lots of gatherings are there is lots of inquiry. So how railway persons give the answer of that queries? They search for the information, they recorded in the computer, they search it, and then they give answer of the arrival and departure of trains and other information like confirmation of tickets and many more. So I'll tell you what is the use of computer in airports and in railway station first, and then in airports. Computers are used at railway stations and in airports actually in the same way, both giving information about the arrival and departure timing of trains and aeroplanes, booking tickets and doing reservations. Yeah, it's very important. To reservation and cancellation of tickets are done by computer. It is also used to checking luggage of passengers and for other security measures in airports. The computer is used for keeping records of arrival and departure of trains at railway stations and also in flights at airports. The computer is used to control towers to guide aeroplanes to land and take off. Very big job. Okay, now the use of computer in hospitals. Hospitals. First, I'm taking this hospitals. What is the use of computer in hospitals? Then I will go to hotel and shops. Means malls. Hotel, shops, and malls. I will combine first hospital. In hospital, computers are used by doctors and medical staffs for making medical reports. When we go to the hospital, you know, you go with your parents lots of time. Your parents also go to check up themselves when they were ill or not, for regular checkup. The person who maintain record in the hospital, they take all the data from the doctor give the data to the person who maintain record there, and they make medical reports. and keeping the record of old patients who come regularly in the hospital. They should maintain their record. For that they use computers, and computers are largely used to diagnosing the illness of a patient is suffering in which illness, that many times detected or diagnosed by computers through machines, which nowadays very famous. And now computers are used for performing surgeries. For operations also computers are used. Computers are used by doctors to diagnose different diseases by carrying out various tests. The computer is used for preparing medical reports of patients and storing the information. The computer is used by doctors to carry out operations of complex nature. So now computer is very necessary and important in our life. Now the use of computer in malls, shops and hotels. The computer can be used by the customer in selecting and purchasing of different items. The computer is used by hotels to maintain record of their clients and bookings made by them. It is also used to check stocks and prices of different items. The computer is used by shopkeepers and by billing clerks at malls to prepare bills for their customers. Now next time when you go to DMart or any other malls, report me that you saw computer there. I will ask. I know you go. Okay, now computer used in bank. Yeah, it's very important point. Computer used in the banks. Computer is used by bank to update the accounts of their clients. It is also used for clearing of checks. The computer is used for keeping records of all the client members and their own staffs. The computer is also used in order to withdraw money from ATM. In fact, the ATM, automated teller machine, is itself a computer. You know, ATM, parents go and they collect money from the ATM. So ATM is a computer. It is a computer. Right? You know about this? And now I will tell you more about computer uses that is not written in this book, but I will tell you. In films, yeah, you watch films. I know you like. I also like. Everyone like to watch films. Computer help in creating animations. Animated movies sometimes show unrealistic things in a very interesting way. You know, dinosaurs have disappeared from the earth long ago, but in the movies sometimes we see dinosaurs. It all done by the help of computers. So now publishing and designing. Computers are used in publishing and designing. Computer is used for designing of books of all categories. It is also used for printing newspapers, magazines, books and chronicles. The computer is used by architects for designing of buildings and other structures. The computer is used by engineers